Oh yeah.
Just checking out a piece of glass we're cutting, man.
Shit.
Carving out a Ouija board.
It's already at line 66,000. Only about 500,000 more to go.
Only. You know it'd be a bad idea, don't you? Snorting that white powder right there. Don't want to do it, YouTube. Don't snort that, I'll tell you what. That'll definitely alleviate the septum. I like the way it lights up like that.
Yeah, actually you can see everything a lot better with the lights off and the light down like that. I'm curious though. Where's your laser level?
Oh, it's over there on that shelf. That'll just light up a line through it.
Would it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Just like a hitting